some meatloaf and I want a gravy thicker. Cornbread on the side, butter rolling down. Black-eyed peas in the bud to wash it down. Soul food, soul food, soul food, soul food. All food fast and got no soul. I guess that's the way modern folk on the road. But oh, I miss a little home cooking joints. Paper plate, take your food outside. Soul food, soul food, soul food, soul food, soul food. Give me some of that soul food. Keep your McDonald's and your Burger King. Lunch at Arnold's will be my thing. Stand in line where your mouth start to water. You'll be satisfied. Bet your bottom dollar. Soul food, soul food.